We are going to cook maroon snake beans for our lunch today, and we have cut that and we have cut it into pieces now. Sorry that I couldn't take a photo of the long beans, so this is the way that maroon snake beans look like. We are going to cook the maroon snake beans. So to start the cooking, we are going to temper the curry leaves, onion and chilies in a little bit of oil. Then when the onion become translucent, that we will add the fennel seeds and the mustard seeds, and after this tempering the onion and curry leaves, we will add the maroon snake beans. The snake beans are in different colors and different sizes. The maroon ones are not only colorful, they are more nutritious than the white ones and the green ones. Now we are going to add the fennel seed and the mustard seed. Once you add the fennel seeds and the mustard seeds, you will mix them, and so once we are also going to add the salt. Once you add the salt, you will mix them and turn around. Now we are adding the maroon snake beans. They look lovely color, brilliant color, and once you put the snake bean pieces, you mix with tempered onion, and then also you mix with temper the beans too. Now we are adding the chili powder, and also we are going to add the garlic, and then we will add the curry powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and also the half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. So once you add them, we will mix them. This is the heat marination of the maroon beans with the chili powder, curry powder, turmeric powder, and tempered onion. So yes, I think at the heat we provide the marination element to it, and the beans absorb it and cook them. The facility to cooking, we are going to add the water, 1 cup of water. Then we are also adding the coconut milk. Once you add that, we mix around it. So we created the curry base to cook the maroon snake beans. So what we are going to do is now we are going to cover it and cook it so that the maroon snake bean becomes softer and nicer. So the maroon snake bean has been cooked now, so we are going to add 1 tablespoon of the tamarind juice, and then Also, then we will mix that and adding the tamarind juice to snake beans is a traditional way of cooking. They add a tangy flavor to the snake beans curry. Um, Snake beans curry is looking good, and so what we are going to do is we let it cook for a few more minutes. The maroon snake beans curry has been cooked, very aromatic and very creamy and sticky. So now ready to add the tempering after removing from the stove. Onion and the curry leaves and red chili has been tempered. Now we are adding the fennel seeds. So fennel seeds is form the part of the tempering, and also we are adding the mustard seeds. This is the traditional tempering of especially the vegetarian curries. Yes, I think back home they use the same thing to temper the non-vegetarian curries too. This tempering, you can try this one. They add the unique flavor. When you temper it, you need to add it with a little bit of oil, and only you can taste it. But use the oil moderately so that they will taste better. In addition to adding the fennel seeds and mustard seeds, some people also add the urad dal to it, and but we add some time, but this time we didn't add it. So this is the way that the tempering is done. Now I'm going to add the tempering that we have prepared. So that's tempering of the onion, dry chili, curry leaf, fennel seeds, and mustard seeds. So that is the maroon snake beans curry. Thank you very much for watching this fantastic curry cooking. The maroon snake beans is very, very tasty and loved by vegetarians and vegans, and appreciate your watching of this video and also the watching of other videos from our channel, and also we appreciate your subscription to our YouTube channel. Thank you.